Hi, welcome to Digitech Genius, and we are back with our second video of the series for the tips, techniques, and the smart ways to handle the Excel. So, in the last video, we have spoken about that how can we solve different things without a formula by making it in a smarter way. So, in this video, we are going to continue the same. So, for example, we have this data with us, and we have to freeze the top rows. So it is easy that if you go into the view one and you go and freeze the top row, so it will freeze the one and you can see it easily. So that is the technique number 6, which we can do it easily. Another one which we can do, if we want to unfreeze that one, just click over here and say unfreeze spans. But if I do not want to freeze only the top row, I want to freeze maybe the 3 or 4 rows. So I have to click on the cell from where I want to freeze it, and I will click on freeze spans. So it will freeze the rows from that particular cell or from that particular rows. So I'm going to unfreeze that one again, so just to continue with the other technique. So now in the other one, I am going to I'm going to freeze panes without this formatting option. I want this top rows to be appear on the top, but I do not want to freeze that one. For that, the easiest thing or the smarter way is how we can do. Just can select hold the data by pressing Control plus A, and then press Ctrl plus T, so it will convert the whole data into the table. So once you click on it, now you see that this whole is showing in under the table. And once if I want to see this one on the top, first of all I'm just making it little formatting. I'm just changing the colors of that, maybe the greenish, and this one maybe the blackish, or that's okay, that's also the fine, or we can make any other color like this one. So once we just go down from here and we see on the on the top, instead of the labels over there, it is showing you ID, first name, last name, and the marks. So that is the smarter way you can do the instead of freezing the panes, you can do like that one also. So that's how it is. Now second one, for example, I do not want to I do not want to freeze from the top. I want to see from the bottom. So for example, I want to see this one which is under the row 38 as a bottom. So what I will do, I will click over here and I will go into the review tab, and I will put up over here as in the sorry, in the view tab, and under the view tab I will click on split. So as soon as I click on the split, see it is showing me the splitted screen. Maybe I will take it till here. Now for example, if I go beyond that, this the bottom one will remain be the same. I can click over here, and for example, if I want to see only row number 38, I will keep it on over here. Now I can just roam around on the top, and the bottom one will remain be the same. And if I want to just undo this thing, just click on split again, and then it's undone. So now we are in a position to see that one. So that was the technique number 8 for you. Now we'll speak about the technique number 9. Now in this one we'll talk about that, for example, if I'm going to take a printout of this one, and this one is a lesser data, let's make it a large data. So maybe it goes to further pages. Like for example, I'm just selecting it and I'm copying it down. So I'm just copying it further so that it goes further into the pages once I go for the printout. Okay, so we have just copied that one, and now if I go with the print, just see over there that it is giving me different pages. Now the problem is this, that the heading, it is showing only on the first page now, and I want the headers to be appear in the second and third page, all on all the pages. So for that one, you will click on the page on the page layout and click on the print titles. Over here you can select uh, over here rows to be appear and just select this one. So just select this and enter this one. Okay, so now if you click on print, it will show you on all the pages. See, so it is appearing on all the pages. So this was the easiest way for putting the headers at the print level. Now the last technique of this video, that we want to print only the selected area. We do not want to print the whole thing. So that's very easy. Just select it and then go, just press Ctrl plus V, and in this case, instead of print selective active sheet, just mention selection. So now you see it is giving you the selected area. So that's it for now. That was the second video. We'll continue our video, and please keep watching Digitech Genius.